Alright, this box is full of glass sent from my supplier. Let's take a look. I'm so excited about this. So what happened was a few people reached out and was asking about getting together a glass set that they can purchase. So this is going to be it, where if you needed glass, you're going to have this freaking huge box. This was put together by my supplier, so it's a surprise for me as well. We're going to take a look at it and see what is included. So this is our first look at the box set. Can't wait. Let's see what we've got. Pretty heavy box here. We should have 15 sheets total. Nicely packed here. So we've got the styrofoam all around to protect the glass. Nice. Real nice and fitted. Okay. Oof, man, this is really heavy here. Okay, so that is how it's packed in the styrofoam, completely filled from the top to the sides and everything, just to make sure that the glass does not break on its way to you. Oh man, I'm pretty excited about this. They were able to put together 15 sheets total, so I know that there's 15 in here. I do not know what they look like, so that's what we're going to find out. Oh, wow. Look at this first one. Oh, I hope you guys can see that. That is the iridescent glass sheet. We had spoken about maybe throwing a few in here, and this is what he came up with. Oh my god. Look at this ripples, these bubbles. I'm hoping you can see this pretty good on the screen. Oh man, it looks faint on there, but it is really shiny from what I can tell. I'm gonna try to cut to a different camera if this one doesn't pick up. And it's on both sides, it seems. I don't even know which. I think it's coated on this side, so you can see that, all that iridescent. Holy shit, that looks unreal. It looks like a filter almost. This one is one of the best glass that I've seen. You can see that come through on the bubbled side too. So dang, that's our first sheet. Yeah, these are gonna be 6x8s. Let's take a look. Okay, 8x6. So, wow, this is so nice. You're gonna be able to do some cool stuff with this one. And we've got sheets to protect in between. Very nice. Let's go this way. Oh, wow. Dang, that's another crazy looking one. This is really pretty. And hopefully you can see it with that too. I'll cut to the phone camera. I think it might pick up better. You can see this one is super bright yellow and with some white streaks and a little bit of the swirls right there. And that's just on that one side. And the reverse is where all this iridescent comes in. You can see the shininess of it. So that could be something really cool for like a feather, any project you want to use this for. Alright, so that is the second, that's going to be our second piece. This one's real nice. This is like a light violet cathedral wisp with some white streaks in here. So you can see my hands right there. I like the lightness of it. This one is so cool. Man, what a freaking nice piece of glass. Okay, so that's number 3. Never thought gray would look pretty good. So it's more like a smoky white gray color. So that is what we're looking at. This one's going to be pretty cool. for a lot of things as well. That's a nice one. Wow. Oh, dang. So this one's an opal. It's opalescent. You can feel the heaviness of it. It's completely different than those cathedral ones with the see-through ones. This is a lot lighter. It's going to be a lot easier to cut. The opalescent is a lot more dense, so it's going to be harder to cut. You just have to maybe press down on your cutter a little bit harder. It'll cut the same, but you'll see. Lighter shade of blue with some white streaks in here, or more white with some blue streaks, but most of the glass is pretty much light blue on this one. So you'll see most of the glass is going to have the two different types of patterns on each of their sides, so you can just pick and choose which side you like. Yeah, so this is the opalescent, and we got 5 right there. Nice solid blue here. Another opalescent type, and as you can see, not see-through. Super nice opalescent piece. This one is really beautiful. You can see the different streaks on each of those sides. Alright, I'm forgetting the count now, but that might be number 6. Okay, got some greens in here, and this one gives you that lighter green color, green shade. A little bit more lime-ish, I would say, towards that, and then if you flip it on to this side, then you've got a lot more whites. This is again going to be easier to cut than the 2 opalescents that we just went through, but super nice. Oh dang, I like this one. This is like a teal, looks to me more like teal. I love the streaks on it. I haven't had a piece of glass in this color, so man, you can do a lot with this one. I feel this one's a great choice. Number 7, 8, forget, where are we at? Number 5, 6, 7. That was number 8 right there. Oh wow. You know what? This is cool. This is just a solid color. To me, it looks like maybe a smoke blue is the best comparison. I don't know my colors. So that's kind of how it looks. So you can see that see-through right there. Okay. This one's got the textures on it. So you can see right here on this side, this is where all that ripply effect is going to be. You turn it on this side, it's very flat. This is where you're going to be cutting on the flat side. It's a little bit harder to cut on the textured side. Yeah, nice solid green color. Like it. Oh, this is a good one. This is like a yellowish amber, lighter yellow amber color. Very popular color for me anyways. I always tend to reach out for some of these. I love the texture on it. This is, the reverse side is flat. This is going to be the easiest so far, I think, to cut. Yeah, anything that's see-through is going to be best to be your first cutting projects. But anyways, this is, man, love that texture. Okay, so that was number 11. And 12, purple. Nice. You can kind of see this is a little bit darker now, but you can see that it is a see-through cathedral. Got that texture, some really cool textures. I love this type of glass. It adds that effect, but it's not super plain, so it has that texture. I love it. Nice. Number 12. 13. Ooh, nice color. Super light. I like this one. This is like the other amber color where it's a little bit lighter. I tend to kind of pick lighter shades for my projects. So this one is about the same with the rest of them with some of these ripples. I believe they're the same types. So we've got a few of those, but just in different shades, different colors. I think this is now 14. Alright, we got the blues. Oh, we got some crazy ripples here. This is different. A lot more wavy. I think you can kind of see that. It picks it up. And so, yeah, if you want some more dramatic effect for that piece of glass that you're doing, it's like almost leaning towards purplish now. If you can say this is like a indigo. Yeah, I think this is more like an indigo color. Very nice. And the last piece, I think, should be the 15th. And we've got this lighter shade of blue. Wow, so there we go. So that is our glass that we've got for this entire set right here. Again, this is going to be 15 sheets of the 6x8s. They come in that package that you saw and how it was wrapped, and that is how it will be shipped. Man, this one is the craziest looking one. I don't even know what I would do with this. It just looks really good. I'd be scared to cut this one. This is so nice. This is something like you don't want to cut because you don't want to break it. And just wrap it with foil and just hang it. That's it. You got a 6x8 glass right there. That's ridiculous. And again, this is the exact glass that you will be getting if you decide on getting this set. The good thing about this is that we are using USPS priority mail, which means you'll get this in about 2 or 3 days, and it can go to Alaska and Hawaii as well. But the main reason to putting this together is so that you have access to glass if you need to buy them and you don't have a place that you can go to, such as a store, your local stained glass shop. And they put together quite a bit of variety of textures and colors. The iridescent is freaking amazing. So yeah, if you need glass and you want to play around with different types just to switch things up on your projects, and this has a little bit of everything. So this will be ready on the website pretty soon. Just check out the website. It's stainedglassdiy.com/shop. You should be able to see this listed. Alright guys, if you have any questions on this, let me know. Get in touch with me and I'll be happy to answer any of those questions. But it looks like if you're looking for glass, we got some glass now. That being said, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.